Alright, me and Sean boys out getting our mile in for the day. Whew. He's keeping up pretty good. Let's go. Having fun? Good morning, everyone. How are you doing on this beautiful 4th of July? How's everybody doing on this beautiful Independence Day here in the United States of America?
Happy Independence Day.
Absolutely, absolutely. What's going on, TQ?
Not a whole lot. We have some fireworks and some food and everything going on.
Don't tell them all about that stuff. Don't tell them. You just gotta wait a little bit.
Exciting.
We have a little bit of that stuff in here, but
exciting.
The first thing we have to do is finish out what is technically yesterday, Friday morning. Somebody just set off a bomb.
It's not even 9:38 yet.
Right. Anyways, guys, we got to finish up our Friday work day. We didn't have much, probably like 2-3 lawns. And yeah, then we're going to hop into having some fun festivities.
Family time, my favorite.
Yeah, let's hop to it.
Let's go.
Tell you what, this thing was starting to really brown out last week, but it is green again this week, TQ.
That's what we like to see.
Yes. So had to pull a little bit further down. Normally we park up here in the shade. I like to keep the truck in a cool spot to keep the cab cooler. But they're getting a roof inspected over here. No big deal. But just pulled up a bit further. I'm hoping the neighbor here doesn't mind, which I don't believe he will. Most people are cool. But just had about a 3-minute conversation with that elderly gentleman and talking about lawn care and owning your own business and retirement. He retired from a steel mill. He worked 40 years, guys. 40 years. Now, most people today, they're like, hey, I want to get in as minimal as possible and retire. He went over. He said he enjoyed his job, and then finally he just one day decided it was enough after 40 years. few of you have mentioned why are the wheel motors and stuff like so loud on the X-Mark? I think it's because the back of the X-Mark is so open. Now, like with the 6000, the Z-Master from Toro, it has the bagger on the back of it. We've only taken that off a couple times. That will be coming off here soon, probably this week, once we get the time. We were at an all weekend tournament last weekend. So we took Sunday and did all of our deck cleaning, mower cleaning, everything like that. But I think the 6000 is pretty much the same loudness. They're big, guys. These are heavy mowers, you know. They're top of the line, full commercial, big boys. So it takes a lot of power to move that kind of weight. You're probably talking 12 to 1400 pounds, somewhere around there, with these big zero turns weigh. Alright guys, so happy 4th of July. We're going to be doing some celebrating around the Spencer household. Let's check it out in here. So the pork butt has been on for 17 hours. It's roughly about a 10 pounder, so we're looking at about 20 hours roughly, 2 hours per pound. We'll keep an eye on it just once we hit optimal temperature. And then I just threw some ribs on the back there, just to give everybody a little bit extra if they want it. So yeah, buddy. And also, let's come in here real quick. We have all of our, you guys seen a little bit yesterday from our firework assortment. Hope you guys are all having a great time. I'm surprised a lot of you said you're not allowed to shoot them off in your areas. I thought they did away with that a long time ago, but yeah, we're gonna have some fun. I love these things. These things are so loud. They're like shooting off 700 bottle rockets at a time. But yeah, buddy. Just waiting on probably about 2 o'clock everybody will start showing up. But yeah, me and Teddy hanging out. Hope you guys all have a beautiful 4th of July. That's what it's all about right here, boys. So that was a little bit of our 4th of July festivities. We hope you all are having a great 4th of July also.
Absolutely enjoying time with your family. I just love seeing the kids enjoying it, having fun.
They had a blast. Glow sticks, bubbles, sprinkler, warm weather, good food, good
I think
music.
once they got the glow sticks, like the fireworks were like, so what?
Yeah. Anyways, guys, have a great 4th of July. Stay safe. You guys take care. As always.
Keep mowing.
As always.
Keep mowing.
Keep growing.
Keep making money, boys.
We'll talk to you later.
Take you out.
Peace.
Bye.